Welcome everyone to another episode of the Quiver Podcast. I'm Brian, joined today by Vic. Say hi, Vic.
Hi and good morning sa mga magpupuyat mamaya.
Yan. Oo,
So
paabangan na
yan,
namin yung ending na Captain
ending
Tsubasa
ng
kasi
Captain
Brazil and
Tsubasa.
Japan.
Yun yung ending. Kung pamilyar kayo sa anime na yun, ang ending ng Brazil-Japan eh. So ngayon magtatapos na siya for real. Magtatapos na siya for real.
Makikita na ilang years in the making din yan.
Oo, ilang years in the making yan eh. Makikita niya susulpot si Captain Tsubasa pag medyo
Oh,
tagilid na
so
yung
pag
Japan.
napanood niyo tong episode na to, alam niyo na kung paano nag-end.
Oh, alam niya na paano nag-end pag napanood niya to. Alam niya na kung magiging masaya ending
At
ni
least
Captain Tsubasa o hindi.
At least yan nag-end, no? Mag-end ng may conclusion kasi yung recent na
Yung
sinunod
laro,
ni
laro
Chargers.
kanina, ang ganda eh. Walk out. Nag-walk out. Idol sila Jawo eh. Tsaka yung Anyeho. Yung Michelle Anyeho noong 1991. Idol nila si Jawo. Walk out.
Ibang
Nag-walk
klase.
out eh.
Ayan, so in case you missed it, dahil syempre, di ba, pre-season, especially wala tong TV, ah, nag-champion yung DLSC Green Archers sa Bayugan Agusan del Sur, if I'm not mistaken.
Yep.
Yung invitation ni Mayor Kirk Assis. So it's a five-team tournament. If I have it right, it's Lasal, Adamson, Latran, San Beda, and ito ngang notorious CM Farm
CM Punk.
na
Si CM Punk.
CM Punk. May money in the bank pero baliktad. Money in the bank na paurong. Kaya
Oo.
nag-forfeit na lang sila. Di ba pag sa wrestling, pag money in the bank, susugod ka
Ayoko na
eh.
eh. Ayoko
Pero
na eh.
baliktad.
Ayoko na. Uwi tayo. Uwi. Kaya CM Punk ang
Top
tawag
out.
namin sa kanila.
Top
Hindi
out na
CM
lang.
Farm.
Top out na sila. Hindi money in the bank. Top out. Yan. So, I believe the score stopped at 33-25 at
Yep.
some point in the second quarter.
Yep.
Ayan. So, it was an odd ending but still, 300,000 in the bag. Ayan.
Dapat hindi
Kumitiyak.
bigay, alam ko si CM Punk dapat may cash prize din sila, dapat hindi binigay yun ng organizers. I mean, kung ako organizers, di ko bibigay yun. That's my take.
Yeah, that made it tricky for the organizers who were expecting, alam mo yun, nag-invite ka ng mga tao to expect 40 minutes or even more of entertaining basketball. And ito na nga, parang yung mga ganyan tournament, tawag dito, bibihira na ma-set up kasi malapit na yung season and then you deprive fans of a thrill. Kasi tayo naman sa Lasal, diba? Manalo matalo doon, it doesn't count, parang experience lang.
Yep.
Pero nakuha tayo dun sa mga nanood, I think, sa mga nag-look
Oo,
forward
sila yung ano
manood ng
diyan,
basketball.
sila yung talo diyan, yung mga fans na nagpunta sa venue kanina to watch a very very good game sana. Kasi ako personally, I was expecting a very very good, competitive and very 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 physical game kasi palagi naman ganyan if you're facing a ano pato panalay team sa probinsya na pros yung naglalaro.
Mhm.
Typically they play physical kasi ayaw nila magpatalo dun sa mga collegiate teams eh. Or kahit di lang collegiate teams, kahit yung mga fellow panalay teams din nila na nakakalaban. It's all about pride and livelihood for them eh. So the way they approach the game, it's really talagang laban yan eh. Kasi apart from the tournament money, if I'm not mistaken, syempre may mga one game bonus pa rin siguro yan from the owners ng mga ano no, ng mga ano
Wala na
panalay.
yung one game bonus nung CM Farm
Wala.
tuloy.
Yep. Oh, yun nga,
Weird.
'di ba?
Hindi ka
Parang
ma-up game.
'di ba? Parang nga, hindi ko
40%
umabot
lahat.
ng ano doon.
Ganun.
Hindi ko hindi ko umabot. So anyhow, yun yun. Pero I uh, I really find it funny kasi yung game kanina, ang daming leeway ng referees talaga kanina eh. There's so much leeway on the level of physicality that you can do. So there were really missed calls on both sides, to be honest. So it's really, I find it odd and weird na yung pro team pa yung unang napikon at umayaw. Kasi kung titignan mo sa ganyan, mas expected mo na umayaw yung collegiate team eh. Kasi there's a lot in stake for them na yung season malapit na, you don't want to have injured players, no? But in this case, medyo napapailing talaga ako na yung pro team pa yung umayaw at tumodo ng reklamo. So that's one thing that I really find it uh, weird kanina. So maybe next time ang ano diyan kasi Bri, di ba, if you recall, we had an provincial tournament too na yung fourth quarter yung head coach ng kalaban nag ano pa to lulupasay sa sahig para
Mhm.
ma-reverse yung tawag. Hindi ko alam kung anong tournament yun eh. Di ba? Naglulupasay sa sahig yung coach, binaliktad ng referee yung tawag, kaya nag-overtime, talo tayo eh. Alam mo yun, di ba? Parang,
Sa Zamboanga to, I think.
ayun, tama
Yeah.
sa Buanga, o di ba? Parang, alam mo yun, di ba? Parang you get to really experience different flavors, kumbaga, kung anong bang klaseng hindi lang yung type of play but yung atmosphere na ganyan sa ganyang klaseng mga pocket provincial tournaments that we join in. Pero yung next time si CM Farm siguro that magdala sila ng isang daang referee. Tapos kada bad call palit agad. Meron bring your own referee. Yung kada
Nakalisan
bad
mo
call
ba,
niya,
no?
ayaw namin yan.
Talo pa
Palitan yan,
SBP.
palitan yan.
Talo pa
Lahat
SBP sa dami ng referee sa pool.
Oo, daig pa nila SBP. Magdala sila ng napakadaming referee para kada bad call palit. So, parang wala silang reklamo. But very, very ironic. Isa pang biruan nga dyan was if you've seen yung di ko alam kay Coach Jello ba na IG story when he said na the game was stopped because CM Farm can solve Spain pick and roll. So kasi very, very ironic. Parang we ran it four times bago nag-cancel yung game and CM Farm just got burned with sa Spain pick and roll sets that we're running. So yung mga nanonood dyan, audience, YouTube nyo na lang siya. But kasi hindi kami makapag dito film room ni
Baka
Brian.
ibang Spain yung pinapanood nila. Baka si,
World Cup.
Ferran Torres.
Baka
Oh,
World
Ferran
Cup,
Torres
baka
yung
World
di
Cup.
nila ma-solve.
Baka si
O kaya
Lamin,
si
baka si
Lamine
Lamin
Yamal.
yung pinapanood nila. But it's kung yung normal pick and roll lang dalawang tao lang yan, two-man game. Itong Spain pick and roll is a three-man game siya. So tatlong tao yung nag-evolve sa offensive set na yan. So you can search it on YouTube. But pag napanood nyo sa YouTube, pwede nyo balikan yung game kasi ano lang naman hanggang second quarter lang yung final sa Facebook page nung Paliga and you'll get to see what Coach Jello was saying dun sa IG story niya na kaya ang CM Farm umayaw kasi hindi na alam paano dedepensahan yung Spain pick and roll offense natin, which ironically ran 3 or 4 times and we got baskets out of it, no. So kaya yun yung isa pang biro-biroan din, umayaw na hindi na alam paano isosolve. So let's just walk out. But anyhow, but yun nga, it still doesn't look good, especially coming from a pro team na dapat kayo yung model nitong mga collegiate teams na to na papaangat pa lang sa pros and yet hindi siya magandang example that you show. Kasi definitely yung mga nasa pro teams na yan, hindi naman ano yan eh. You have di pa to Marcelino Twins, Ken Salado, sino pa ba yung mga, si Jun Manzo also played the other day, di ba? So those are well respected players. So um yun lang, nakakalungkot lang. It's very unfortunate na instead of having an exciting match, just like similar to the one that we played in ano pa to, Loreto ba yon yung nag
Yes.
game dagger
Ah,
game winner si Doy dun sa corner
mm.
3. Instead of experiencing that, walang kwenta kasi hindi na tapos yung game. But anyhow, it saved a lot of pain from our players, from the physical beating na ginagawa din ng CM Farm. So at least nakatipid-tipid tayo ng konti sa mga post game recovery kasi hindi na nasagad yung laro for today. So another feather in the cap. Iyan na natin yan. Give credit to our team since we played well all throughout the tournament. Yun nga, good character test, especially that Letran game na we all thought na si Mato Letran will just walk away with the double digit win. Medyo rin talaga dun eh. Tight din yung schedule for our team. We finished at around 4 plus, and then we had to play again at around 8:30 ish, or bago mag 9. So I'm not sure how. I mean, we all know we have Coach PT Teddy, PT Marco, Coach Jello, and Coach Migs, no? Pero, I mean, kumbaga, they can only do so much to help our players prepared on that short span of time. So, props talaga sa team na they just didn't give up. Yun yung sobrang happy ako na hindi sila nag-give up on that game, na kahit trailing by 11 with under 3 minutes to go, they just kept on pushing while si Titing got cramps. exact
Ano,
exact
tingin ko,
opposite. Ano?
tingin ko si Titing para hindi siya mag-cramps, kailangan niya kunin yung services nila Coach Jello at saka ni Coach Mix. And I think isang way lang para kunin yun. And siya na bahala.
Malabo eh. Kung kailangan niya kunin yung services, dapat lumipat na siya ngayon.
Oo, kasi may balita tayo, ano eh.
Na lang siya, sayang.
Balita tayo, ano eh, may mga nakagamit ng services pero sa ibang landas na punta.
Oo,
Di
sa
ko
iba
na
nagpunta eh.
kung sino yun. Hindi ko na
Mga walang
napapangalanan
kwenta.
kung sino yun, mga pre, di ba? So,
Mga walang kwenta. Joke lang.
de, syempre ano naman, sponsored naman yun. Anyway.
Yun, but anyhow, yun nga, we beat Adamson comfortably. We also beat San Beda. Uh,
In control, yeah.
medyo in control, and then itong game against Letran was,
And obviously, Adamson was
oo.
probably the most in control match
Oo naman. Yun, parang we were tested. Ako, to be honest, we were tested in all of our games. We definitely learned from it until itong finals game nga natin. So, again, congratulations to everyone, to the men's basketball team dyan sa Bayugan City. And they will come back for Phil Oil na, no? Tama, no? Next week
Yes, on
for
Monday.
Phil Oil against UP.
Yeah.
To round up yung ating group stage.
6
Sorry,
game elimination.
naka World Cup mode kami, kaya bira kami tumatawag ng group stage. Di ba?
Group
Mas ano kami
stage,
sa group stage. To
buti sa
complete
Phil Oil,
our stage match. Ha?
Buti sa Phil Oil, straightforward top 4. Baka kasi may rank of ano yun eh, best best fifth place.
Best third placer. Best fifth placer. Kasi apat yung kukunin. Best fifth placer.
Even naman. So, walang problema.
Balance ka wildcard, best fifth placer. Tapos ko lang. Quotient.
Buti nga, di ginawa ng Phil Oil yung parang play-in sa NCAA. Ang tagal nun kung nangyari yun.
Okay lang. May manonood pa rin naman nun. For sure.
Pero matagal. Parang baka August na Phil Oil pa din.
Para lang si Papa Giovanni yan. Papa Giovanni Infantino yan. Pakabain natin ng World Cup.
Di siya in charge sa sa Phil Oil. Thankfully or not thankfully. Kayo na lang bahala.
Kung type natin humaba, kunin natin servisyo ni Papa Giovanni. Para humaba yung
kaya baka mag-request sino nga ulit yung nagbebenta doon, yung laging may jingle. Nakalimutan ko na eh. Si
ABC.
Hindi, yung manok.
Sino may manok?
Manok yun, di ba?
Sino?
Nakalimutan ko na. Anyway, nasa comments na lang sabihin nyo dyan. Yung may banner doon. Alam mo. Anyway, di pa naman ako napunta. Kay Willie ko siya narinig. Si
Chitox, ba?
Yan, si Chitox. Yun.
Okay din jingle niyan. Ni Chitox. If you, guys, kasi sa live stream, si ABC lang lagi naririnig niyo eh. Pag nanood kayo ng live,
Puso.
Hindi, pero mas nakaka-LS si ABC. Pagka nanood kayo ng live, you'll get to experience si Puso Pilipinas sa jingle tsaka si Chitox. Medyo siya, catchy yung kay Chitox. Medyo catchy. Medyo ka. Pag uwi mo galing Phil Oil, medyo mo na rin siya.
Lalo kung
tatakbo
babad ka
talaga
dun, no,
sa
yung
utak ko.
nanood ka 3 laro o kaya 4 na laro.
Oo, yan, parang gano'n. Parang nung June 12, 'di ba? Kasi ako nanood ako game natin tapos game natin, game ng Binild. Same thing din nung Sunday kasi game ng Binild yung una naman bago yung game natin against Adamson. So, yun yung ano natin. So, speaking of which, babalik tayo ulit dun sa ating kay Mayor Asis na tournament. Yun nga, dun sa Adamson, medyo kasi baka yung iba sabihin, oh, bakit nung Phil Oil dikit? Ito pala, kaya pala natin to tambakan. So, I think the only, ako, ang ano dun, difference was, mas naging seryoso yung ikot ng tao dito sa Mayor Kirk Asis na invitational compared when we faced Adamson and Phil Oil na medyo nagbigay ng leeway ang ano natin coaching staff natin to give exposure really to players, especially that towards the end of the third, start of the fourth quarter, no. So eto medyo you can see na medyo, I wanted to say seryoso. Seryoso yung ikot ng tao natin dito eh. Parang we know who who's who's inside the court on this part of the game. Parang ganun yung nangyari dito. That's why we had a ano pa to comfortable win against Adamson compared to itong game natin against Phil Oil. And then again, yun nga, I think for the rest of the tour, ang isa ko pang ano dito, observation sa tournament, Jacob didn't score that much the rest of the tournament, pero yung I wanted to commend yung court leadership niya and yung paano niya ilatag yung sets. I mean, he may not be scoring but he's helping on other aspects of the game, which is really really good kasi that will just make us a more dangerous team pagdating ng UAAP na everybody will just kasi ano yan eh medyo expected natin na everybody will shift their defenses this time around towards stopping Jacob, and if Jacob can show his other facets of the game kung saan siya pwede makatulong, it will work wonders for us. Yun yung ano natin dyan. So, and then, X Factor pa rin si Papa Jason Saipul. Ha? Ano pa rin siya? X Factor pa rin siya on this tournament kasi it really gives flexibility sa ating backcourt. So, pwede silang sabay ni Jacob. Pwedeng siya yung sub kay Jacob. No? So, there are so many things that they can really be effective. Si Jason and yung ating J and J, di ba? Johnson and Johnson, but this time it's Jason and
Powder.
Jacob. Parang
Powder.
powder at
Gaganon
lotion,
gaganon sila sa harap ng
di ba? Ganun.
ng official
Pero si ano
statement.
to, si ano to ba to, Yokozuna yan, si Yokozuna. Kasi Mr. Fuji, kasi Mr. Fuji. Yokozuna tsaka Mr. Kala niya Lebron na. Yokozuna tsaka Mr. Fuji yan. bawal Lebron dito, Jordan lang pwede, Jordan.
Isang Lebron lang pwede
Lebron
sa'yo.
Daep lang pinapayagan
Ah.
namin dito. Baka kami nakikinig sa atin ng mga Lebron fans. Lebron Daep lang yung ano namin dito. But anyhow, yun yung mga ano dito. It's nice na everybody got a chance to play, no? For most of the tournament. Except lang talaga dun sa Letran and yung last elimination round game against CM Farm na yung sa CM Farm talaga, since it's a no bearing game already, we really tried to ako kahit talo tayo ng 10 sa CM Farm nung last game ng Elims, I'm so happy to na si Kine, Sharma, Seven got that much needed
Ryle.
playing time, and even Ryle, no. So they got their much needed exposure against pro players. So ako kahit na we lost by 10, happy ako doon na yung time on the floor nila, no. So ano yun, it's really really good kasi pang ano din yan, confidence booster din yan if you get reps on actual games mismo. Yun din, Adamson halos lahat nakapaglaro. I think yung medyo ano lang talaga yung ikot ng tao natin was against ano nga San Beda and Letran, since we faced the NCAA finalists on the same day. Yun yung ano doon, medyo mabigat na isang araw lang natin sila inano kinalaban with a very 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 tight window. Parang 4 hours lang yung window natin to rest. So yun, another preseason tournament in the books for us, and then we still don't know once we get news or updates. Syempre we will ano naman dito, we will talk about it here in the ano pa, the Quiver podcast. But yun nga, yun, balik for now since wala namang ibang balita. So balik Phil Oil lang tayo ulit.
Yeah. And booked na yung spot natin sa quarterfinal. So
Yeah.
definitely the UP game is not the last game there.
Yep.
Uh, Seeding na lang kasi just a few
Yes. Correct.
implications. If ever manalo sa UP, chances are LaSalle will place first in the pool,
Yes.
the
Correct.
UAP pool. But if LaSalle drops this game, chances are LaSalle will end at third.
Third.
And
Third
natalo
yan.
ka ng UP and NU. So,
Yes.
yun, that will just determine whoever you will
Placing na
fit
lang.
for NCAA
Placing
bracket.
matchups.
Yeah, exactly. And how you get to the final if you want to go there or if you would get there, diba? Parang nandun, yun yung pathway. And so, something to, tawag dito, something to look forward to in the coming weeks. Syempre, July na soon. Ibig sabihin, 2 months na lang, UAP na, diba?
2 months na lang. Nako, 2 months na
Yeah,
lang.
exactly.
2 months
Parang two
na lang.
months ago, ano
Dapat,
lang
dapat,
yun?
dapat may malaman na. 2 months na
2 months ago, parang May pa lang nun. Ano pa lang nun? Asia Basket na natapos din eventually. And then Phil Oil, mag-start na din nun, diba? So parang papalapit na
Basta,
talaga.
basta,
Kasi,
basta, ano na, July na 2 months na lang. Dapat,
mm,
magkaalaman na.
yeah. But also, something to look forward to our fellow LaSalle fans. Nabanggit na namin to ni Gio in our previous episode. But syempre, nandito na din si Vic. So, let's pick out a penny for his thoughts about ito nga, we
Sakto
have
kasi,
three
ano na rin to eh.
LaSallians. Oh,
Tama, di
Gilas
ba?
window.
Tama, bro, di ba? Itong week na to yung, ano natin, qualis sa FIBA.
Yes,
Tama, no?
we are down under. Sa fake Asia as we call it in our GCs.
Yes.
Australia and New
We
Zealand.
call them fake Asians.
No,
Kasi
pero
si
naman,
Australia and New Zealand.
Sa FIBA naman, to be fair, sinasabi nila FIBA, Asia, Oceania. So, dalawa. To be fair to them.
Tama,
But yun
tama,
nga,
tama,
nasa
tama.
Oceania leg na tayo, yung Gilas. And it has been a difficult trip as we've learned. But still, we
Definitely.
have three LaSallians in the
Yes.
pool. Balti, of course, sorry Balti, nakalimutan kita nung previous
Balti,
episode.
Keb,
And then
and
si
Mike.
Mike, yan. So Mike will make his Gilas debut as a local in a FIBA sanctioned event kasi the last live he
Oo.
wore Gilas jersey sa
Importante
Cambodia.
yan. Importante yung FIBA, importante yung FIBA stint kasi it opens a lot of doors.
Totoo. And
Pag
nung,
nakapag-FIBA ka na, it opens a lot of doors. So,
ang basa ko,
importante kay Mike yan.
ang sinabi ko nung nag-usap kami ni Gio the last time we discussed it was, kakaiba yung pasok ngayon ni Mike Phillips kasi aside from what he can do on the court, I think he will also add that character of the court sa team. Kasi diba, he's known to be charismatic and siguro masha-sharpen din niya yung Tagalog skills niya. I mean, we know how fond he is whenever he gets the chance to speak in Tagalog. He will, and with many players coming from different backgrounds sa setup, diba, sa Gilas. For
Yep.
sure, he will relish it. But aside from that aspect, Vic, when it comes to the hard court, how will you see Mike Phillips fit this Gilas team?
Personally, we badly needed that medyo dynamic presence sa front court. Kasi, since na-injure si Kai, ako to be honest, we're not playing well since Kai went down. So, I feel like we're really, yung success natin is dependent on how well our front court plays. Yun yung ano ko dyan. Yun yung, kasi based from our performances parang after ma-injure ni Kai, parang we're not the same team that we love seeing under Coach Tim. So, yun. So, sana Mike, yung energy niya, hustle, ano, it's really not about yung offensive skill or whatever, pero yung ano nga, yung hustle, effort, sipag, I hope that will rub off to the other players also, yeah, in the team sa Gilas, kasi we really needed a jolt sa front court natin. Kasi I mean, no matter how, alam naman natin it's all JB. Brownlee will save us at the end of the day, no? Pero yung kung saan kayang maglaro ng maganda yung front court natin, dun din tayo talaga pupunta. So, ako yun yung, that's what I expect Mike to bring with Gilas, to Gilas rather. And ako, to be honest, excited ako to see how his energy will rub off to the rest of the players sa Gilas. Yun, medyo, that's where I am very, very much excited about. Kasi yung energy, hustle, baka humawa. Kasi ano iba, ang FIBA is, I mean, for us, UAAP, yung 40 minutes, parang haba Pero for FIBA, yung 40 minutes, ano lang siya sobrang bilis lang ng 40
Ano,
minutes sa,
wala kasing TV timeout.
oo, yun nga, di ba? Yung, yung 40 minutes ni FIBA, ang bilis niyan. So,
Yeah.
it's really a game of spurts. So if you have someone that can really bring out that energy and spark in the form of Mike, no? So sobrang laking bagay for Gilas.
And so speaking of Mike Phillips, aside from Gilas, we'll also like to congratulate him for getting nod in the Philippine Collegiate Press Corps. Ayan. So kasama niya
Kaya,
dyan si Collins Acowe, si John T. Miller, na hindi na niya naabutan sa roster pero for sure he
yes.
can sing na fellow Green Archer.
Yep.
Pa yung favorite ni Willie? Si
Sino?
Jonathan Moses.
Jonathan
Manalili.
Moses.
Oh,
Jonathan
yan, Jonathan
Moses.
Moses. Parang ano lang, no, yung English fullback.
Oh, di ba?
Parang DJ
Jonathan
pa talaga.
Moses.
Jonathan Moses, Manalili, and si John Ray Pasaol. Ayan, so sila yung lima. And we'll also like to congratulate si Coach Topex for being
Yep.
the Collegiate Coach of the
Congratulations.
Year. Ayan, so
Ay, alam mo,
nabalitaan ko nabalitaan ko ang runner-up si Coach OG eh. Sayang Coach OG.
yan, kasi next na, dami ng championships yan Dapat next na collegiate press corps, ino-nominate ko na yan. Hindi pwedeng wala. Hindi pwedeng wala.
3x3, diba? 3x3.
Coach OG Anunoby.
Sunny,
Ilalagay natin yan.
he's a good
Oo.
guy.
Oo.
Sunny, he's a good guy.
Kailangan ilagay si Coach OG dyan sa nomination niyang Collegiate Press Corps Coach of the Year Awards.
Petition na
Kailangan
natin.
niya na siya.
Hindi
Papalista
pwede
natin.
ignore. Nasnub.
Oo medyo na-hurt ako Medyo na-hurt ako na na-snub si Coach OG. Masama loob ko.
Right.
Masama loob ko sa press corps. Dapat sama yun si Coach OG.
Di ba, sa Quiver Awards 2026.
Oo, di ba Coach
ayan.
OG, sa Quiver Awards, may puwang ka sa puso namin. Andun ka.
Ayan, so that's all our time for today. And we know that because of Ibarra Watches, of course, partners of our show. So check out their collection online and also sa DLCA office, their exclusive watches including the Trofeo Quiver Dial Watch, color green. Fairla Sol fan, bagay na bagay siya sa'yo. Ayan, so, and pag bumili ka niyan, makatulong ka rin sa DLSA
Yes.
Athletic Scholarship Fund. So,
Yep.
more ways, parang nakatulong ka na ng scholarship, may pogi ka pang watch. Ayan, so, yeah, can't say much sa side ko. Medyo naka-World Cup mood talaga ako na hardcore. So, let's, abangan natin, of course, the Lasal games coming up. Phil Oil, at least 2 games. Who knows, maybe 4 games, max. And then, let's see rin kung meron pang upcoming pocket tournaments somewhere. Kung may kakilala kayo mag-i-invite, na lang, check mo na kung nandun yung CM Farm. Pag nandun, baka withdraw na muna.
Babe, dadala din tayo sarili referee natin. bring
Yan na
your
lang.
own referee.
Si Kuya Resty na muna mag-ref kung ayaw
Sige,
nila
si Kuya Bronson.
Oo.
Si Kuya Jalen Bronson.
Oo, Jalen. Ayan, kasama ni Coach Oji.
Coach OG.
Knicks
Kasi
in
Kuya
5.
Jalen Bronson.
Knicks in 5. Late na yung next in 5 namin. Pero ayan, champions sila. Okay, so that's all our time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Quiver YouTube channel, Spotify, YouTube, and also follow our socials. Ano, siguro si Willie masaya siya ngayon kasi 1,690. Pero pwede niya naman gawin yung 1,700 yan. Ayan.
Oo, pwede. Wag,
Or more.
wag nyo,
Or more.
wag nyo itigil 69. Dire-diretso nyo yan.
Ayan, so on behalf of Vic, this is Ryan. As we always say,
Ano mo na, Sal? Walk out.
walk out.